Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Honda Passport Touring in gray. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, remote start system, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINO'SCJD.com, stock number 8705A.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.